man when he lies in the rich house, who does not complain, even though he is in great pain. So afraid is he of becoming a nuisance to the Lord, I dare not complain of my mortal pain. I should well grieve since she shows me pride, for I desire and want nothing so much. At least I dare not cry mercy to her. Such fear I have that I might annoy her. I might annoy her. Like one who gapes at a mirror which seems beautiful against the brightness. When I gaze at her, such sweetness comes to my heart that I forget myself for her whom I see thus. Love beats me well with the rods I gather, for once in her royal court I stole a kiss of which I now remember. Ah, how badly lives he who does not see what he loves. So help me God, my beautiful lady commits a mortal sin, because she does not help me. For she knows that in her are my heart and my love, so that I think of no other day. So why does she speak so sweetly to me and welcome me, since she does not keep for me the thing for which I most grieve? Does she thus think to distance me from herself? She should not do it, for it happens to me through love. For a natural lord ought to suffer the wrongs and the rights and the sense and the folly, for one can hardly have honor from war once he is outlawed from his domain against his will. I am truly outlawed if I take myself from her love. I will not take myself away, rather I love her more than I used to. And I will hold myself vile if I give up loving, rather I will suffer what I have already suffered. For my lady has me thus in her power, that if she does me harm, she will never have worse from me. For her pleasure has such a sweet taste to me, that I do not remember nor care for my own. There is no day that her love does not burn in my heart. Therefore I have such joy when my eyes see her, and when my heart thinks of her great goodness, that in the world I want nor desire nothing